السلام عليكم. The best manner of patient care is simple. If you are familiar with the needs and priorities of the people coming to your clinic, not only in the aspect of health, but in life in general, you will be able to build a rapport and lasting relationship with them. Although people vary in personalities as much as in dental problems they are facing, you can categorize patients according to their noticeable behaviors. When you do this, you will be able to frame your conversations with them better and really help them. Obviously, there are many types of patients that we encounter every day, many more than what could be mentioned here. Those who will be mentioned later by my colleagues are some of the most common ones that we see, that may require a certain degree of art and finesse to provide the best experience for them and secondarily for us.
Firstly, reactive patient. This is the type of patient who goes to your clinic whenever something wrong comes up, a tingling sensitivity while eating ice cream, bleeding gums in the middle of brushing teeth. When a problem crops up, they react, and that's when you see them in your office. These patients don't believe in regular checkups. They mistakenly think that if there is no pain, then everything is okay.
Forgetful patient. It is just that they miss appointments every now and then. Now, missed appointments are never good for the practice. It throws your team in a state of flurry. It affects your production targets. It hurts your bottom line over time. There are two ways to address this. 1. Remind them simply. Rule out a policy of calling up patients a day before the scheduled appointment. The second thing you want to do is to inform the patients of the value of continuing with treatments. If they are able to reach the point of full understanding of the fixes they need, they would most likely follow through treatments and not miss appointments. When they are in your dental chair, explain to them the dental problem and the repercussion of not addressing these issues.
Fearful patient. Patients with anxiety and phobias can be very challenging since they require more reassurance than most others. These fearful patients do not go to the clinic as much as they can, precisely because they don't like being there. The whirring sounds of dental equipment, the gag reflex, and the cold environment just put them in a state of panic. What can you do here? For one, you may offer sedation and walk them through the procedure. Teach them deep breathing techniques, give them a sense of control by saying "I will stop when you raise your hand" or do a certain signal. Also, create a relaxing atmosphere in the clinic as well. For instance, put up relaxing images on your walls or videos on television.
In conclusion, no matter how many types of patients you will care for in your years of the practice floor, some aspects of the practice career cannot be taught within a curriculum. They must be experienced and acquired by a little wisdom from your fellows. And always keep in mind that the patients have different personalities, and each of them has his own preferences and qualities, which make it harder to deal with them since they are different. This is why providing treatment for each is considered to be a challenge to surpass. And finally, we recommend you to develop your communication skills to make it easier to discuss problems and understand the patient feelings, while for enhancing the relationship with the patient, you have to make him feel comfort by spending more time when you explain the issue by showing pictures and videos. And always remember that the dentist and patient tend to see dental events from very different viewpoints. Even more, while working, try to distract the patient with non-dental conversations. All of what I have mentioned before enhance the dentist-patient relationship, which always has positive consequences, such as the patient is more likely to remember and follow the instructions and shows significant anxiety reduction, and the patient is less likely to sue and will speak highly of the professional.